Microsoft's history with the manufacturing sector goes back over 2 decades. Microsoft has transitioned from being a provider of productivity solutions to a trusted partner in digital transformation for manufacturers. Digital transformation really enhances the agility and adaptability of manufacturing operations. Hexagon's been a trusted partner, and I expect a further adoption of AI-accelerated innovation as part of the growing portfolio as we move forward. AI and automation are playing a real transformational role, and that really can vary depending on the challenges and the problems each individual manufacturer is looking to solve. Some of the most significant challenges include supply chain disruption, workforce shortages and the skills gap, legacy systems, data fragmentation, things like predictive maintenance, analytics, quality control, accelerating design and simulation. The majority of manufacturers are either experimenting with AI today or have proof of concepts or are actually in production with AI use cases. Digital twin technologies are really revolutionizing product development. Being able to implement full operational testing in a virtual environment, we can support scenarios like root cause analysis, for example, things like intelligent process control and energy consumption. It's really helping quantify the impact of informed decision-making. If I was to select one key consideration for building successful partnerships with technology providers, I would say adopt a multi-model partnership framework, joint engineering, open ecosystems to really power your transformation.